This is Quinn. She's from the Philippines, and she's never cooked Pinaputok na Tilapia before. And this is Seohyun, her Korean-American partner, who's never even tried it. So today, she's going to attempt to cook this for the very first time. If it works, Seohyun gets his first real taste of home-cooked Filipino tilapia. If it fails, well, let's just say dinner might be ruined.
Babe, tara na. Anak ng pating, ang tagal. Tagal kumilos. Oh my God. I caught it on cam. You tooted.
I did.
Hindi ka na. Punta tayong Seafood City. I love you, Daddy. I love you. Why are you changing your shirt? We're just gonna go to Seafood City. Don't wear that. Oh, ang lamig. Okay, bagong lahat, magtatapon muna tayo ng basura. Babe, no. Get out of the car. I tooted. I tooted. I can't help it. That's why I opened my door. Buti na lang walang amoy. Buti na lang walang amoy. Hindi katulad ng utot mo mabaho. Hindi katulad ng utot mo may kimchi. They're closing already, so we missed getting the fresh tilapia, so we're forced to get these ones. This is enough. Ang laki. Ang laki ng tilapia dito. Okay. I know this fish. Ooh, they have this too. Next time, I'll cook you this. I'll cook you this next time. Bangus. It's milkfish. Have you ever had milkfish before? Okay, let's go. Okay. Hello, my loves. Seohyun is on his way home and I'm gonna surprise him with pinaputok na tilapia. Ito na yung tilapia natin, guys. Puhugasan ko lang and I think malinis na to. Nakaliskisan na. Thank God because I don't know how to do that. And wala na din laman loob. Dalawang kamatis. Hiwa lang tayo, guys. What is your favorite way of cooking tilapia? Tapos na tayong maghiwa. This is for the fillings. We have the tomato and cilantro. This is optional. Ginger and then red onions. And then I also separated for the dipping sauce later. Welcome to the tricky part, and that is filling our tilapia with our vegetables. Ooh! So this is not gonna be grilled. I will bake. Speaking of, I will bake it, so I already preheated the oven to 425 degrees. I saw this online and I'm gonna try it, and I don't know how it's gonna taste like, but we will be using sinigang mix. I read that it should only be tamarind, pero wala ko nun. I only have the tamarind and the gabi mix, but I'll try it. So anyways, this is like about 1 tablespoon, and then a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Sana hindi malansa and sana hindi fail tong ginawa ko. Ayan na siya. Ang bango niya. Sana naaamoy niyo yung naaamoy ko ngayon. But it really smells so good. Smells so fresh. Ang saya! I've never done something like this before. Everything I do for love and for Seohyun. Hindi ako mahilig magluto ng isda kasi nga ayoko yung malansa na amoy. Ayan na siya, yung palaman niya. Nakikita nyo ba? So, the next step is putting in the remaining seasoning on our tilapia. I think this is about 1 tablespoon left. I think Celine is ready now. Hi, honey! You walked in on me while I'm filming. I got a surprise for you. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open. This is our dinner tonight. I never cooked this before, so I don't know if you can tell I'm low-key panicking. everything is a mess. You know, I'm not like this when I'm cooking. And on top of it, I'm vlogging. So everything is just a mess. Sprayan muna natin ng oil para hindi dumikit. Wrap it. It's gonna be in there for 45 minutes. Dahil tapos na tayong magsangag, now we're gonna make our dipping sauce. So, ito yung tinabi kong tomato and red onions from earlier. And I got soy sauce. Babe, we're eating fish and rice. You want chopsticks, spoon, or fork? What is this? No, speak to me in human language. Oh my gosh, ang init. Ooh, perfect. Mukhang luto naman. I made you pinaputok na tilapia. And you never had that before. And I had it before, but I never cooked it myself. So I am actually nervous right now, but it looks cooked, right? So I want you to rate my cooking and I want you to see if you like it or not. I made you garlic rice too. You like it? Oh my gosh, I'm so happy because I know he actually likes it and he's been bugging me to cook fish for him for the longest time, but I don't cook fish. I hate cooking fish. So honey bunny, how would you rate it?
27.5, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, I love that. How are you eating like this?
10 out of 10.
What? Did you hear that?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10! You changed it. You said 10 out of 10. So what's your final answer?
8 out of 10.
Pabawas ng pabawas ah.